Looking for some fresh produce and a way to support local business? Then look no further than the OB Farmers Market. Hey, it's Ivan from Powers Premier, and this is San Diego. The OB Farmers Market occurs every Wednesday from 4 to 8 p.m. and is located on the 4900 block of Newport Avenue between Cable and Bacon Streets in Ocean Beach. It's here that for over 25 years, there's been something for everyone. In fact, this event boasts the same free-spirited and funky vibe that can be felt throughout the beachside community. Fruits and veggies are just the beginning at the OB Farmers Market. They have countless food vendors with tons of ready-to-eat meals. So let's check out what they got. So everything looked amazing, but at the end of the day, I was in the mood for some Hawaiian barbecue, so let's see what the verdict is. Oh yeah, delicious. That's some good stuff right there. So now let's go explore some shopping. That was a ton of fun, but no night is complete without some live music. Tonight's featured band is called Half Blood, and let me tell you, these kids can rock. Well, I hope you enjoyed your exclusive look into the OB Farmers Market. My name is Ivan from This is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. We'll see you next time.